there are a lot of tools or ways to clean your fish pond. This is the final stage. After cleaning the edges and the ground with brushes, sponge, and everything, this is the final stage. Yeah, you can use foam or anything, but at the final stage, the mop stick makes it simple to absorb the rest of the water and the dirt. This comes after you have successfully scraped all the dirt that are stick on the pond. Then you can simply wrap the mop stick throughout the work and make it clean, and that's it. Yeah, very simple. But before you get to this stage, a lot has to go through. I've had a complete video on how to wash your fish pond after harvest, so you can check that one out in the description. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so. So now, the mop stick, even after you are done with the washing, and perhaps you have not installed your fish immediately, and then later you have to install the fish, and you find out that the fish pond is dusty or dirty again. Oh, this is where the mop sticks come to play again. Yes, just dip it in water and then come to the dusty pond and you mop it. Simple, as simple as that. For instance, let's check in this pond. For instance, let's check in this pond. You will see that it is very dusty. This dust, because we are not added water or fill it water, and it is there for a longer period. And because of the harmattan, there's blowing of dust. You see, now if I'm going to do this, I can simply just sweep it, and after sweeping, there'll still be some dust. Then just use the mop stick, and then in water, and you're good to go. You see, you see, you see. So like people always say, there are several ways of killing a cat. Whichever method that you decide to kill the cat is up to you. So whichever method you decide to use to wash your pond is up to you. But make sure you do it appropriately with appropriate tools. For instance, it is not ideal, and I keep saying it, to wash your pond with soap. You might be thinking that, oh, soap is easy to wash off the dirt, and you add the soap and you wash. The consequences are that if you don't allow the soap chemicals to pass through, then after washing, you put in water and you put in your fish. If you are not fortunate, the detergent, that is the chemical that is in the soap or the detergent, is likely to contaminate the water, therefore killing the fish. So that's why it is so ideal. If you happen to use soap to clean your pond, then allow the pond to stand for a while. All the chemicals are gone. And then when you're going to put in water, make sure that you disinfect the pond, either by salt bathing or either salt bathing or using bitter leaves or whatever means to disinfect the pond, so that if there are any bacteria or fungi or whatever that is going to contaminate the water, when you disinfect, they'll all go away. Then you are ready to stock. I want to make this video brief, but I have a complete video on how to wash your Tarpaulin fish pond after harvest. So check that one out in the description. Thank you very much, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and we shall grow our fish farm.